nasty.
I was gonna say it's a 6th order the way you have it designed, so. What's your name, man? What all's in here?
Rob, and right now 4 resilient platinum 18s.
Okay.
MD 12K burning a half ohm.
Okay.
129 power lithium. 270 alt, and I think the factory alt's running now.
Okay.
And about 3 runs of water.
Wow.
She's tuned low and nasty.
I was gonna say it's a 6th order the way you have it designed, so.
Yeah.
Do you know your tunings? Do you know kind of the specs of it?
It's tuned where it peaks out at like 32.
32? Okay.
31-ish.
Yes, sir. Okay.
I haven't got it all the way locked in, tuned on the amp. I ain't got no juice
sir.
right now.
Okay.
So I'm really down on the voltage.
Yeah.
But
And you're wired at 1 ohm?
half.
Half ohm on the MD. Is it a half ohm or that's a
It's
half?
a half.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, man, I love a demo.
Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it cut off. The chainsaw, my bad.
That's all right. That's actually pretty good, man. For just the 12K.
No power.
Yeah, no low power too. So
it's hot too.
yeah. Are you happy with it so far? You got work to do on it.
Yeah, I'm breaking it in.
Yes, sir.
I got a lot of work to do.
Yes, sir. I understand. Thanks for the demo. What was your name?
Robert.
Robert. Jacob. Thanks,
Easy,
man. Yes, sir.
Oh, the chainsaw, my bad.
That's all right. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.